so we're going to solve this first proportion problem. So when you have a proportion where you're trying to find an unknown number, n, so n is the unknown number, you have something where there's an equal sign, you're going to follow the cross multiply then divide method. We did this a lot. So you want to bring down the equal sign, and you're going to set up a new equation where you multiply the cross numbers. So n and 18, and 6 and 15. So let's just write them out. 6 times 15. There it goes. 6 times 15. The dot means multiply. And then this side is n times 18. Okay? So we'll simplify each side. When you are multiplying n, a number, it's just some number we don't know, times 18, you can just write it 18n without the multiply. When you have something like 18n, we know that that means 18 times n. Equals, and we know 6 times 15 is 90. So now you're like, well, what do I do? Well, if you remember, that's where the divide comes in. So you have to get n by itself, and in order to do that, you want to divide both sides. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So you want to divide this side by 18, because then the 18's cross out, and you're just left with n, and the equal sign. Now you have to divide this side by 18. 90 divided by 18 is 5. So n equals 5. We're going to try one more. We're going to follow the cross multiply. So n times 12 equals 6 times 2. That's 12n equals 12. Divide both sides by 12, because whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. The 12's cross out. Technically, the 12's cross out there. It's not 0, though. It's 1. So that's how you solve these. And I want you to continue the same method, trying to do the cross multiply and then divide and set it up just like I did for those.